If you're on the hunt for the best camping chair for your adventures in 2024, you're in the right place. After trying out countless options, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 camping chairs that combine comfort, durability, and portability. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long camping trip, these chairs will make your outdoor experience much more enjoyable. So, if you're eager to find out which camping chair suits your needs best, stick around until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to watch the whole video. All the links to find the best deals are in the description. Let's begin. Alright, let's check out an Azura Blue folding camping chair. Picture this. You're at your campsite, the day's winding down, and you're ready to kick back. That's where this chair comes in clutch with its built-in fork and cooler pouch. No more getting up for a fresh drink. They're right there, nice and cold. Now, comfort's a big deal when you're spending hours outside, and this chair's got you covered with its fully cushioned seat and backrest. It's pretty comfy, but I gotta be real, some folks have mentioned it might not be everyone's cup of tea, especially if you like a firmer seat. Let's talk portability. We all know lugging camping gear around can be a pain, but this chair's collapsible design and carry bag make it super easy to pack up and move. It's light, but still feels sturdy, so you can use it for all sorts of stuff. From watching your kids' soccer game to chilling in the backyard. Just a heads up though, a few people have said the folding can be a bit fiddly, and there have been some issues with the carry bag tearing. When it comes to value, I'd say the Azura chair's giving you a lot for your money. It's comfy, convenient, and versatile. Plus, it's got these neat little extras like a mesh cup holder and side pocket, perfect for keeping your phone or whatever close by. To wrap it up, an Azura Blue folding camping chair is a solid pick for outdoor lovers. It's not perfect, but it's got a lot going for it. If you're into camping or just need a good portable chair, it's definitely worth considering. I've dropped a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself and see if it fits your needs. Let's dive into the Azura Black Adjustable Lounge Chair. If you've ever found yourself dealing with an uncomfortable seat while camping, this chair could be the solution you need. It features a sleek black steel mesh design that not only looks stylish, but also offers comfort. The zero-gravity function ensures your weight is evenly distributed, preventing pressure points. After a long day of hiking, your body will definitely appreciate this feature. What stands out is the adjustable reclining system, allowing you to lock the chair at any angle you prefer. Whether you're engrossed in a book or stargazing, this feature enhances your outdoor relaxation experience. The elastic cords adapt to your body shape, adding an extra layer of comfort. It's perfect for those who enjoy unwinding in nature. Portability is another strong suit of this chair. It's lightweight and folds up effortlessly, making it easy to carry to the beach, park, or your favorite camping spot. It includes a detachable tray equipped with cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder. However, be cautious, as some users have noted that the tray can be a bit unstable, so it's best not to place heavy items on it. In terms of durability, the chair holds up well. It supports up to 300 pounds and is crafted from flexible, low-wear textiline fabric. It's robust enough to withstand some wind, which is beneficial if you're camping in open areas. There are a couple of downsides, though. Some users have mentioned that the chair sits lower to the ground than anticipated, which might not be ideal for everyone. Additionally, the seat is somewhat narrow, though it might not be the best fit for larger individuals. Overall, the Azura Lounge chair offers good value for its price. It's versatile, comfortable, and visually appealing. If you're in the market for a new camping chair, it's definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description if you want to explore this product further. Let's take a look at the folding camping chair, 800 pounds King Kong by Join Nature. If you've ever sat in one of those wobbly chairs that feel like they're about to collapse, this chair will be a pleasant surprise. With an impressive weight capacity of 800 pounds, it's a reliable option for larger individuals or anyone who wants a chair that stays put. In terms of comfort, this chair delivers. It features a cushioned backrest and armrests that are a treat after a day spent outdoors. It's spacious too, giving you the sensation of sitting in your living room rather than out in the wilderness. The fabric is noteworthy as well. It's made from a double-layered Oxford material with sponge padding. It's durable yet breathable, so you won't feel sticky on warm days. Now, let's discuss the added features. There are 2 cup holders and a side pocket for your essentials. It's convenient not having to stand up every time you want to drink or need to grab your phone. As for setup, it's a breeze. Just unfold it and you're all set. However, it's not all perfect. This chair is on the heavier side, weighing nearly 14 pounds. If you're focused on ultralight camping gear, you might want to reconsider. Additionally, while it's comfortable for most uses, a few users have noted it's not the best for extended lounging sessions. Despite these minor drawbacks, this chair is a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Its sturdiness and comfort make it worth the price. Whether you're camping, enjoying a picnic, or just relaxing in your backyard, it gets the job done. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description. Take a look and see if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive into the oversized heavy-duty camping chair by Yestimo. If you've ever experienced the anxiety of sitting in a flimsy chair that feels like it might give way, this chair will be a relief. It boasts a robust steel frame capable of supporting up to 205 kilograms, making it ideal for those who need a more durable seating option. In terms of comfort, this chair excels. Its generous size provides ample space to relax, and the cotton padding ensures a cozy experience whether you're on a camping trip or just lounging in your garden. The standout feature here is the fabric, a resilient 600 denier double Oxford material that withstands wear and tear remarkably well. When it comes to portability, the chair does fold, which is convenient, but it's still somewhat cumbersome when packed. If you're aiming to travel light, this could be a drawback. The carrying bag is another point of contention. It could be more spacious, as fitting the chair back can be quite the challenge. A neat feature is the inclusion of built-in side pockets and a cup holder, which are perfect for keeping essentials like your phone, book, or a drink within easy reach. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported issues with the plastic components, mentioning they can break easily, which is a bit disappointing. Despite these minor setbacks, the chair's overall quality and comfort make it a worthwhile investment. The price is quite reasonable considering the 2-year warranty and customer support offered. If you're passionate about outdoor activities and need a chair that's both comfortable and durable, this one is definitely worth a look. Check out the link in the description if you want to explore it further or make a purchase. Next up, let's explore the Dowings folding patio chair. If you've ever endured a day outdoors in an uncomfortable chair, this might be the solution you've been looking for. The first thing that stands out is its comfort level. With a 40 INCH wide seat and a 19 INCH high backrest, it feels more like lounging on your sofa than sitting in a typical camping chair. The thick cushioning is a game changer, allowing you to relax for hours without discomfort. But comfort isn't the only highlight. This chair is also quite portable, weighing just under 13 pounds. It's manageable for its size. It collapses to about 37 by 11 inches, and you can easily carry it using the broad shoulder strap. Admittedly, it's a bit bulkier than standard single-seat camping chairs, but the added comfort is worth the trade-off. A unique feature is its design as a camping love seat, perfect for cozying up with a partner or friend. The frame is robust, supporting up to 440 pounds, and the fabric is made from durable 600D material, ensuring it withstands various outdoor settings, whether at the beach, camping, or a park picnic. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The absence of built-in cup holders might be a downside for some, and the limited color options could be a letdown if you're particular about aesthetics. Nonetheless, these are minor issues compared to the overall benefits. In terms of value, the Dowings chair is a strong contender. It's comfortable, appears durable, and isn't too cumbersome to transport. Many users seem to agree, as it boasts excellent reviews and high ratings. If you're considering enhancing your outdoor seating experience, this chair is definitely worth a look. Check out the link in the description to see if it fits your needs.